I'm videoing to show you how the rain just pours and our school is only partially covered. Like there's some lockers. Here is the 10th and 11th grade lunch area, hangout area. The rest of the school's up there. And we have a block scheduling, so they usually have 10, 15, or 20 minutes between each of their classes, so you'll see kids out here all throughout the day. And it is pouring rain, and of course now I'm trying to get to my car with a plate of fruit. Okay, we're sort of leaving the school now, and there is the climbing wall, koi pond, very feng shui. And at least the wind's not blowing anymore. But again, the school is only partially closed. And down there is the gate.